guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today we're going to be doing something that's a little overdue. We're going to be doing my January favorites. It's fine, it's only been like 2 months, we're good. As most of you know, my favorites videos are my favorite to film, so that is why I'm not skipping over January and February. I'm still going to be uploading them because I love these items and I want to share them with you guys. So even if it's 2 months overdue, they're still favorites and I still think y'all should see them. So anyways, with that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing items that I was in love with for the month of January, then just keep watching. So my first and only makeup favorite for the month of January is the ColourPop Luxe Lipstick in Uno Mas. This is a very beautiful nude color. I'm wearing it on my lips right now, and I actually topped it with my Sephora Perfect Nude Lip Gloss, and together these just look absolutely stunning. I feel like it is a nice neutral lip color. I personally find nudes to sometimes be either too pink or too orange, so this one kind of ended up being the perfect nude lipstick for me. My next favorites are these purple and blue marble earrings. These are very beautiful. I'm going to have the link to it down below. I did order these from Zaful, so they were incredibly cheap, but these are just very beautiful to kind of pair with any outfit, especially basics. So for example, in the month of January, I wore a lot of black because I was working, and so I would just pop these earrings in because I felt like it just kind of pulled the look together and kind of added a little bit more color without having to add color to the outfit per se. It kind of just helped to accessorize a little bit, and I just absolutely love these. They're super cute and I highly recommend them. My next favorites are these Fashion Nova jeans. I mentioned these in my recent clothing haul video, and for good reason. These have quickly become my favorite pair of jeans. They're so comfortable, they hug your curves beautifully, and they're nice and form-fitting, which I really like, but they are still comfortable. I don't feel like I'm wearing jeans, I just feel like I'm wearing maybe a slightly thicker pair of leggings. They're super comfortable, they don't restrict you in any sort of way, and so I am just currently showing you guys the dark blue and the black pair because they're so cute, and honestly, I'm kind of wearing these more than any other pair of jeans that I own currently. My next favorite is this Sherpa jacket that I got from Zaful. I'm once again going to be leaving the link down below for you guys to check it out. This is so comfortable. In January, Texas was having the weirdest weather, which honestly isn't really that much of a surprise for Texas, but we were having really cold days and then really warm days. So on the days that I was really cold and I was going out, I would just throw this on. It's super comfortable and it keeps you cozy and toasty, and so I really like it. It has this lining all throughout the inside, so it really helps keep you warm. Actually, that's a lie. In the sleeves, it actually kind of goes to more of like a winter coat kind of. I really don't know what you would call that. Like that kind of fabric and texture, but then it cuts back onto this fluff. So that's really nice. So my next favorite is actually a drink favorite, which I don't think I've ever had any food items on my favorites before. So this is the first. I don't know if you guys have this coffee shop near you. I don't know if it's just a Texas thing. I really know almost nothing about this franchise, but it is called Scooter's Coffee, and I have one relatively close to where I live, and this is so amazing. Sorry if it looks kind of gross. It's because I had to freeze it so I could use it in the video. So now it's probably disgusting, so my mistake. But I highly recommend the Vertigo smoothie, specifically the peach mango Vertigo smoothie. It is so amazing. And if you're wondering what the Vertigo smoothie is, basically it makes a peach mango smoothie and they add tropical Red Bull into it, which I had never had Red Bull up until I tried this, and I am absolutely in love. This is the perfect drink for me. If I'm editing, I will drive up to the coffee shop and I will order this and I'll just edit in the coffee shop. And I was never the kind of person to always get coffee before going to school or work or anything like that, just because I personally don't like coffee. And there was just never anything at like Starbucks that really like wowed me in any sort of way. And so I tried this one day because my brother brought it home for me and I fell in love with it. It's so delicious, so scrumptious, and I just am absolutely in love with it. So if you guys have a Scooter's Coffee near you, I highly recommend the Peach Mango Vertigo smoothie. And my last favorite for the month of January is Medici Season 2. Medici is a TV show that you can watch on Netflix, and the first season starred Richard Madden, and I personally didn't know that they were going to be making multiple seasons, which is why I had mentioned it back in December, and then all of a sudden one day it popped up that there was a Medici Season 2, and so I decided to watch it. I personally fell in love with the second season of Medici, just like the first season. The storylines are relatively similar, but they're also so different, so you definitely get a different story, but it is filled with very famous actors, many who played parts in Game of Thrones, so I absolutely fell in love with it, and I highly recommend it if you're looking for a new TV show to binge watch. And that is it for my January favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I know there weren't many favorites this month, and I'm sorry about that, but trust me, whenever we get to the March favorites, there's a lot. Be sure to let me know in the comments if any of my favorites are your favorites, or if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up with that. And with all that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!